Perhaps one of the most prized possessions of a man is a pickup truck. This is due to various reasons: versatility in hauling tons of stuff and ease of getting the job done, just to name a few. However, it's crucial to secure your load not only from weather elements, but also from thieves, especially when in transit. And one simple yet effective solution is to use the best tonneau covers for F150. Beyond their purpose, these covers can also improve the overall look of your vehicle. With so many manufacturers fabricating such products, you have a minefield of options and it just becomes overwhelming to choose one. We have listed the top 5 tonneau covers for F150 and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, legitpick.com. Number 5. Tyger Auto T3 Soft Tri-Fold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Whenever you decide to research the best tonneau cover for Ford F-150, the chances are that you will stumble upon this beauty. I ordered this one a couple of months ago and I've never looked back. I wasted no time when it arrived at my doorstep. As soon as I started to unpack the box in which the tonneau cover came, I noticed that it included a lengthy manual on how to assemble it, a plus in my book. I can't tell you how glad I was to have a manual on hand to help me fully assemble this tonneau cover, mainly because it doesn't come in one piece. I proceeded to mount the tonneau cover on my Ford F-150 and was pleasantly surprised when I noticed how much time it took me to finish the job. In 1.5 hours, I was able to fully assemble the tonneau cover and successfully mount it on my vehicle. The only part that wasn't as nice as I was hoping it to be is that a couple of poorly manufactured bolts came with the tonneau cover. Because of that, I had to buy new ones on my own to tighten the tonneau cover properly. Nonetheless, if you wish to have a soft tri-fold tonneau cover, this one is the best tonneau cover for Ford F-150. Number 4. Gator EDX Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. This roll-up tonneau cover is made to fit a standard 5.6 feet bed, and it is made especially for the 2015 to 2021 Ford F-150 model. Holding a lot of features, there's no doubt that you will love this product. First off, it can provide you with maximum security through its heavy-duty latching design. Also, this cover is made of premium leather grain vinyl. Not only does it protect your cargo from all the harsh weather elements and prying eyes, but it also provides a sleek and stylish look to your vehicle. As for the installation, the manufacturers ensures that the process is just as fast and easy without requiring drilling. All you have to do is to clamp down the rails to your truck bed. Much more, it features an adjustable tension control that allows you to keep it pulled tightly in any situation or condition. Also, the inside mount allows you to have full access to the skate pocket holes when you plan on using other accessories. Whenever you're not using this cover, you can easily roll it up and secure it with the use of a storage strap. With this, you'll be able to enjoy total access to your truck bed since it won't take too much space. Taking into account everything that it can offer, it is undeniably one of the best roll-up tonneau covers for your F-150. Number 3. DNA Motoring TTC Hard 015 Truck Bed Top Hard Solid Tri-Fold Tonneau Cover. If you're a hardworking guy like me that needs to have a durable tonneau cover mounted on the Ford F-150, then this unit might be the best choice for you. My job forces me to travel all the time, and in between those voyages, I need to burden my tonneau cover from time to time. Because of that, I ordered this model, and I was pleased with the overall look and design that this tonneau cover is offering. There's a reason why people mostly order the black model of this tonneau cover. It can match nearly any color of your vehicle, and it doesn't require a lot of cleaning whenever it rains. This tonneau cover did a fine job meeting my expectations, as there were no difficulties when I tried to assemble it for the first time. Most tonneau covers that I had in the early days were difficult to mount, but not this one. This tonneau cover can hold up to 350 pounds with the newest solid tri-fold mechanism, which serves me quite nicely. The only downside would be the fact that it doesn't align with the truck bed properly. If you don't mind having a shorter tonneau cover, then this unit might be a good Ford F-150 tonneau cover for you. Number 2. Gator Recoil Retractable Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The best tonneau cover for the Ford F-150 should match its grandeur. That's why we recommend you to go for the Gator Recoil Retractable Truck Bed Cover for your Ford F-150. It only contains a solo panel with high quality aluminum slats. The hard shell of aluminum slats provides a strong shield against any accidental impact, scratches, dust, and erosion, increasing its lifespan. What we love the most about the Gator Recoil is that you can easily push in and pull out the cover manually from the dense canister by operating a locking cord. One pesky aspect of the canister is that it covers about a foot of the bed, but apart from that you'll get full access to the bed. Also, the cover has matte black powder finishing, which provides a low-profile elegant look to your truck bed. Something else that you'll appreciate in the long run about the low-key matte finish is that it can absorb the harsh sunlight, making the cover immune to fading. Yet another trait that impressed us is its intermittent locking mechanism, which will enable you to latch the cover on 3 different spots along the bed rail. Also, once you shut the cover with the tailgate, it's nearly impossible to even for the meanest robber to break in. Besides warding off the intruders, the thick aluminum shell also lends safety against the water. Added to this, the weather seal around the edges and drain pipes that are placed below the canister provide additional water protection. Now let's look into the tricky installation process. Let us make you more aware of the fact that the installation would take at least an hour, if not more, because it requires way more detailing than is shown in the instructions. Be ready to secure a lot of nuts, bolts, and clamps. If you will be able to do so this patiently and correctly, the after result would be worth it. Remember, in case you think there is any defect or missing item, the Gator cover offers 2 years warranty. Overall, in our view, it is an incredible quality cover that offers a lot more than you can imagine, making it the best retractable tonneau cover for F150. Number 1. BAK BAKFlip MX4 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. As far as truck covers go, it doesn't get better than the BAK BAKFlip MX4. It's a hard folding truck bed tonneau cover that fits the 2015 to 2020 Ford F150 short bed. I really appreciated how easy it is to install this tonneau cover. You can easily clamp it on in just a few steps without any drilling, and once you clamp it on, your truck will be secured against any weather conditions like rain, sun, snow, wind, and dirt, but it will also protect you from theft. I also liked how easily the cover folds. You can fold it completely upright against the cab, so you have access to 100% of your truck bed. This means that the cover won't eat up any storage space, and you don't have to remove it to haul large cargo into the bed. This tonneau cover is a perfect mix of tough and resilient structures and a sleek, low-profile design. It's built with aircraft-grade aluminum sandwich panels. The panels have a stylish black matte finish, and they're surprisingly light. Given that the material is heavy-duty aluminum, I expect them to be much heavier. The BAKFlip MX4 can be closed with the tailgate up or down, and you can open it from either side of the vehicle, which I found to be very handy. One thing I wasn't really happy about was the high price. Although tonneau covers are not generally cheap, this one is one of the most pricey choices out there. If you're looking for the best folding bed cover for Ford F150, you're hardly going to find a better choice than the BAKFlip MX4. Let us know in the comments down below which tonneau cover you're going to choose. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please get this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.